Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So I was asked to do this review several times, and I really think it's a good review. It's actually a comparison video. Now what I'm going to be comparing is these are Cotton King Twirls Deluxe by the company Hobbii, Hobbii, which is based in Denmark. And we're going to be comparing them to AC Moore's Stitch Studio by Nicole cotton collars. So, as you can see, they're cotton cakes is what they are. Feeling them almost identical. Yes, identical when you feel them. They feel the same. Very pretty. Both of them are very gorgeous. They both have the pull tab there to easy start. So let's go ahead and look at the differences. So the Stitch Studio by Nicole is called Cotton Colors. Let's see, my cotton color cakes are absolutely breathtaking with amazing colors. This 100% cotton fine yarn mixed up into projects that will be lovely. Be loved by all. One skein has over 1,000 yards, which will make a great project. Enjoy and inspire with every stitch. All right. So it's 100% cotton, 1,093 yards or 100 meters. 250 grams, 8.8 ounces. It's classified as a fine number 2. Recommending knitting needle size is 3.5 and crochet hook size is a 4mm. Wash in cold water and lay flat to dry. Made in Turkey. Okay, I'm going to bet this is the exact same thing. Let's check it out. Or pretty dang close. Okay, so this is the Cotton Kings. A world of majestic yarn. It's the Twirls Deluxe. Now, when you go on Hobbii's website, they have a Cotton Kings Twirl regular, and then they have a Twirls Deluxe. The Deluxe is actually a solid strand like this. The regular is not. It is 4 separate strands that are not spun together. So that's the difference between the two. Also the price, these are a little bit more. So it's 100% cotton, 250 grams, approximately 100 meters. Let's see, knitting needle is 3.5, exactly the same. Crochet hook is 4, exactly the same. Machine wash, lay flat to dry. And when I look on their website, it has the exact same amount of yardage. 1,093 yards, and it is a number 2 weight. Exactly the same. Let's see. It doesn't say where this is made, but I'm going to guess that it's made in Turkey, if I had to guess. It is, yeah. Okay. So everything about these, label-wise, feel-wise, is identical. They're both, I mean, look how similar they are. Now, the AC Moore brand, the Stitch Studio by Nicole, it does not have the variety of colors that the Cotton Kings has. The Cotton Kings does have several more colors from what I can tell. These are available online. Unfortunately, these are not. And from what I heard, they will never be. You can only buy them in store, which is very unfortunate because if you're like me, I don't live anywhere near an AC Moore. One of my YouTube friends so kindly sent me 2 cakes of these. Thank you very much, Sherry. She picked them up for me because she lived by one. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to get them because they don't sell them on their website, which I think is a little bit silly because they're probably going to be losing a lot of customers that way. A lot of people don't live by AC Moore. I'd have to drive over 300 miles to get to one. So I have to buy these online from Denmark. There's quite a bit of a price difference in these two. Even though, in my opinion, they're exactly the same yarn. I think they are if I had to guess, I'm gonna say they're manufactured in the same facility. This even has some of the exact same colors as this one does. Exactly. A few of them are the exact same. I don't have any right now that are the exact same colors, but I seen them and I know they're the exact same. So I think they are the same yarn, and I think they're manufactured probably in the same facility with different labels. I know lots of yarns like that. So it's not really a big deal because like I said, there's lots of yarns that they do that. Yarn companies will make the same yarns and they'll just put their brand on it. Price wise though, these I seen run $9.99. Okay, these when not on sale run $27. I know, yikes. The good thing though about the Cotton Kings is that you can almost always find them on sale, but rarely have I seen the Cotton Kings Deluxe, that's the Deluxe I'm talking about, go below $15. Rarely. So I'm just gonna say, even though they're $27 a regular, it's not hard to find them on sale, and I have seen them for as cheap as $15. Still, this one's still quite a bit cheaper. It does take a while to get your yarn. When I live in the States, and when I order from Hobbii, it generally takes about 10 to 14 days to get to me. Shipping is really cheap there. It's $6.90. I'm going to be referring to the States. It's $6.95 unless you spend $75, and then it's free. It's cheap shipping. It's very slow. Unfortunately, though, that would be my only option because I live nowhere near an AC Moore. This is gorgeous. Cotton Kings does not have this color. I would love to get all these, but until AC Moore puts them online, it's not an option for me. And it's probably not an option for a lot of people because a lot of people, AC Moore is just not readily available to people as easily as Michaels and stuff. You know what I mean? So it's unfortunate that they don't sell them online because not only are they, in my own opinion, they're the same yarn. I see really no difference in them at all. They just seem identical. I mean, they really do. I think they're the exact same yarn. But not only they're cheaper, quite a bit cheaper if you're talking about this one not being on sale. And then it is unfortunate. But I have seen in more than one post that they will not be selling them online. But I did want to do this review because people ask me, because there are a lot of people that live by AC Moore. And they were just curious what the differences was in these. So in my own personal opinion, now people ask me for my opinion. I don't readily give my opinion unless I'm asked. I'm not the type of person that gives it out unless people ask me. But people ask me, so I give it. And I think they're the exact same yarn. More than likely manufactured in the same facility. Just slapped on different labels. Like I said, I know quite a few yarns like that. Maybe one day I'll do a video and show you some of them. And there's nothing wrong with that. This has quite a bit higher of a price tag than this one. But I can't get these because I can't order them online. So my only option is to pay, if I want them, pay more and get these. So, yeah, I think if AC Moore, I think that them not wanting to put, I don't know what their reason and why they didn't put these online, but I think that was probably a big mistake in my opinion. I think these are gorgeous. Lots of people like these type of yarns, but they don't want to pay that much as these are. They don't want to. They don't want to pay that much, and I don't blame them because these are expensive. You get these a lot cheaper, and AC Moore a lot of times has coupons. You can get 50% off one item, just like Michaels and Joann. So you could get these for like $5, and they have sales all the time, 20% off, 25% off, and so you could even get them a lot cheaper than $9.99. It's just so unfortunate that they're not going to put them online. I don't know if I don't know. I don't even think emailing them would change their mind. But that's just my opinion, and that they're exactly the same. But it's kind of just sad that they don't offer these online, and I don't think they're ever going to, from what I've read. So people that don't live near an AC Moore and you want yarns like this would be your only option. I do want to say that there are other yarn companies that have yarns that are similar to these, but maybe they're 50% acrylic and 50% cotton. I'm only just comparing these two right now, because these two are the only ones that I've found so far that are 100% cotton identical. Okay, but like I said, in the future I'll do a review on other yarns that are the same, but they just have a different label slapped on them. I think maybe that'd be a pretty interesting video too. So that's it. That's my comparison. Identical in my eyes. It's just I can't get these, so I have to stick with these until AC Moore decides to do whatever they're going to do, which I don't think they're going to do anything. So I mean, I think you just have to go to the store to get these. So that's not an option for me. So those are out of it for me. I have to stick with the Hobbii Cotton Kings if I want this type of yarn. So that's it. That's my comparison. Yes, they are the same. I love them. I like them both. They're both gonna make a beautiful projects. It's just, if you don't have AC Moore near you, you know, you can't buy these unless you know someone to pick them up for you, I guess. So that's it. Let me know in the comments if you have both of these. What do you think? You think they're the same? I think they're the same. Let me know what you think. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye bye.